Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you the new Coach Tabby pillow bag. Now if you've clicked on this video then I'm assuming you want to see the bag up close and personal, so I'm not going to ramble on. I'm going to get straight into the specs of the bag. So if you're interested in seeing what I've picked up, then keep on watching. I'm going to be showing you the Pillow Tabby bag in the size 18. So my first impressions of the bag is that it's absolutely beautiful and it's super cute and small. Look how dainty and tiny it is. The bag is definitely really cushiony and really squidgy, so the name definitely makes sense. I get why it is called the pillow bag, because look at this pillow effect. I could just like sleep on it. It's just super squishy and cute. This is Napa leather and it is one of the smoothest leathers on the market. Okay, it's not grained leather, it is Napa, so it is super smooth, which means that it is extremely delicate. So the length of the bag is 7¼ inches, the height is 4 inches, and the width is 2½ inches wide. This bag comes in several different colors. I don't know the exact name of them, but I will definitely try my best. Let's just take a look inside the bag. The bag has this multi-functional clasp and it's also got a magnetic fill, so even if you weren't to close the bag properly, it still kind of closes. It also has this tag which has Coach written on it. It's also got a small pocket and also a little brown tag, and it's stitched on with this yellow stitching and it's embossed again and it says Coach. I also got a really beautiful free gift, which is a Coach card holder, and I picked it up in the color ivory. I actually have a Coach purse which is pretty much battered, so it's nice to have a new little addition to the family. So this is the card holder that I chose. There were a few different colored options to choose from, but I thought that this color would just be best suited for me. This card holder is in the grained leather, so it is a little bit more susceptible to scratches. So I really like the fact that the bag is sectioned into like 2½ parts, I would say. So you've got one section here, which obviously, as you can see, my phone is inside. Then you've got another section here where you can put your wallet, and then you've got a little section here where you can put, you know, like a lip gloss or something like that. So they've definitely really thought about the functionality when it comes to this bag. Obviously it's got this little handle. The bag is super versatile. Obviously I got it in the black. As you can see, the logo and the bag are both in this black leather, so it's very monochromatic, and that tone on tone combination just really makes the bag different. It doesn't really stand out and it's not too in your face, if you know what I mean. And if you don't even like that logo, you know, to be showing all the time, just flip it around and you've just got yourself a cute nappy leather good quality clutch. I would definitely advise going to Coach and seeing what products that they have available to give your bag that longevity. So overall I really love this bag and I would definitely recommend that you purchase it. Now Coach hasn't always been that brand, but they have definitely come through with this bag. Obviously, you know, it is a very neutral bag, so although it is the it bag of the season, you can definitely wear it in years to come. If you really love mini bags or you're on the hunt for a really small, cute, understated, not in your face bag, then I would definitely suggest picking one of these up. It's a really affordable luxury bag as well. I definitely say that it is definitely worth the money. So if you've got to the end of this video, then definitely give me a massive thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. And guys, please share. I really want to grow this channel and I want other people to find me, you know. So definitely please share. I really appreciate it. And I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has watched my channel and to everybody who has been liking and commenting. Like, I see every single comment and I always reply to every single one of them, because I really appreciate all of you lot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.